30 days without intimacy? That's no coincidence. No more connection, no more sex. What is her next move? Most husbands have no idea what to do when the emotional connection dwindles and the intimacy dies. In part 1 of this series, I'm going to show you exactly what your wife starts doing when the emotional closeness dies and the intimacy just plain disappears, and why it's more dangerous than you think. And if you stick around until the end, I have a proven training resource to help guide you through to the first step in you fixing a sexless marriage. Comment battle mode and I'll send it right over to you. No name, no email, just ask. Bang. Hey, I'm Jerry Jacobs Jr., a Catholic marriage coach with over 10 years of experience helping Catholic men save their marriage, even when separation, divorce, or annulment are on the table. From the man whose wife is emotionally detached to the man whose wife who has already filed or has left. And I've coached men through comebacks that they never thought were possible. So what's the actions a woman takes when the emotional connection starts to lose its luster? First off, emotional closeness is the most important thing for women in marriage. Otherwise, they start wondering, what am I here for? So when husbands allow the emotional connection to leave, all of a sudden they claim they have no clue of what's wrong in the marriage or why intimacy has just plain stopped. So here are 12 quick things that a woman will do once the emotional connection starts to fade. And the thing is, she gives you clues. The bad thing is, they don't last long, or they might last for years. You just don't know. So she starts nagging, which is phase 1 of my wife's exit strategy. Basically, she starts nagging her husband, trying to get him to understand that there's a problem in the marriage, and she feels that it needs to be taken care of. Then, if the nagging doesn't stop, she starts to get cold and distant, which means she may not talk as much. She may not want to spend as much time with you. Then the intimacy stops for more than 30 days. You are officially in a sexless marriage. After this happens, the wife starts to think that she's in a going nowhere marriage, which makes things worse. She then starts to imagine her life without her husband. Then the real planning starts. So guess what she does? She enters phases 2 through 7 of the wife's exit strategy, which this is not the full strategy, but this is kind of like some of the things inside of it to keep it simple. So she starts saving money. She considers another man. She may consider moving out. She may consider divorce. Or if things really, really are bad, she's already jumping to, I need annulment in the Catholic Church. So comment battle mode and I'll send you a powerful PDF training guide along with the training video that leads you through to the first step of defeating a sexless marriage and regaining the intimacy you deserve. It will take you less than 10 minutes to consume. Want to go deeper? I've created a 3-part masterclass training that deep dives into the root causes of a sexless marriage. Comment masterclass and I'll send it to you. Let's say you want both, the PDF training, the masterclass training. Comment both and I'll send both right over to you. Bam.